Hello friends, in today's class we'll be learning how to achieve this beautiful gown style. So I have my Ankara fabric here. This is for the front and this is for the back. And we will be having a zipper at the back. We'll be having a zipper at the back. So the back will be longer than the front. And we'll be having a slit at the back. I'll be overlapping my own slit. So what I'll be marking here is 2 inches. So if you don't want to have an overlap, you can mark 1 inch for your zipper allowance. But because of the overlap, I'm marking 2 inches. I'm marking 2 inches. You can mark 1 inch. I'm marking 2 inches. Mark it straight down. We'll be marking a starting line. This is our starting line. I will take my vertical measurement. Shoulder to bust 10.5. Shoulder to waist 17. Shoulder to hip 25. Shoulder to where the wing we start from, I'm marking 32. So shoulder to your desired length. So for me here, my length is 60 and I added the extra inches for sewing allowance. So to the length of your gown, we'll be connecting these lines. This for the bust. The waist. This is our hip line. And this is where the wing will start from. What I marked there is 32 inches. So for our bust line, we'll be putting our bust measurement divided by bust circumference divided by 4. I have 9.5. We'll be adding ½ inch each. For the waist is 34 divided by 4. I have 8.5 plus ½ inch each. For the hip is 42 divided by 4. I have 10.5. 10.5 plus ½ inch each. So whatever we have here, which is 11, we're marking the same 11 here, plus extra 1 inch sewing allowance. What I have here is 11. I marked the same 11 here, and I added extra 1 inch for sewing allowance. So we'll be connecting the lines this way. Connect the lines. Let me move the material so you see the end. So whatever we have here, we have 12 here. So the same 12 will be marking here. But if you want to narrow it a bit, you can remove 1 inch from here. But in my own case, I want to work exactly with what I have here, which is 12. So I marked it the same 12 here. You can minus 1 inch if you want to tape it a bit. So I have 12 here. We'll connect the line. So you can go ahead and subtract 1 inch. You can go ahead and subtract 1 inch from here and connect it back to this line. If you want to tape it here, reduce it or tape it a bit from this place. But I marked exactly what I have, which is 12. What I have here, the same thing I have here. So this is for our overlap zipper allowance. Let's bring it back. So we'll continue. For our neck width, I'm working with 4 inches. Yes, I'm working with 4 inches. The neck width is 4 inches. For the neck depth as well, the front and the back will be the same. Also have 4 inches. We'll connect it this way. You measure from your center back down to where you want your sleeve to end. Okay? In my own case, I'll just take away the 2 inches I remove from the back. So what I have here is I'm working with 20 and a half. So I'm working with exactly the length of this Ankara. I deducted 2 inches for zipper allowance initially, so the remaining material is what I'm working with. So from my center back to my desired sleeve is 20 and a half. So I have 20 and a half. We'll be using bias to finish the edges as well as the neck area. So what I have here is 4 inches for the neck width and also 4 inches for the neck depth. Both the back and the front are the same. So at this place now we'll be marking 1.5 in order to slope the shoulder. So it is time now to draw our wing. So what do we do? We're going to draw a gradual curve from this place. We blend it to this place, okay? You can start from here. Let's mark 20 and a half, which is the same thing. Because you can see that this one, the front is longer than this. So what we have is 20 and a half. We're making use of the back. So we are going to be drawing a gradual curve. for our wing. Sweet and down. So this is for the wing. From here to here is the slip opening where the hand will be coming out from. So we'll be stitching all this way. We will stitch here, and this is where our hand will come out from. Adding a half an inch for sewing allowance. This is for sewing allowance, half an inch. Don't forget, at this waistline we will be coming in by half an inch. We'll be coming in by half an inch. We'll take it back to blend it back this way. In order to eliminate the zipper bulge. So let's cut this out. I started from here. So we will be slitting, opening the back. So for our slit, I have 2 inches for hemming, 18. For the sleeve, I'm marking 18 inches. So let's place a notch for the slit. For the slit, I don't want it to open. I'm going with 18. For the slit, I have 18, so I'm placing a notch here for this slit. What we'll be doing next, we'll remove the back. Also place notch here. Take out the back. And now work with the front. So we're going to be transferring this chalk to the front. I actually drafted on the back. I should have drafted on the front for easy. So I'm transferring this chalk. Okay. To the front. So let's start with the front. Connect it. turn the markings to the front. So if you are sewing, we'll be sewing this way. And we'll be attaching this trimming or ribbon to the center. We'll be attaching it to the center. I'll be finishing this line and the neckline with our bias. So we are applying our for ironing so that it will not spoil your baby. Attach it at the middle. Attach it at the middle. Attach our zipper. This is the slit. So we are overlapping it. So this is our open. So the next thing what we'll be doing, also join at the sleeve. Join it at the shoulder. So what we'll be doing is we'll be finishing the neckline with our bias. We'll be placing it this way. After we sew, we'll now turn it inside with bias and this side also. So I'll go and do it and show you. After which we'll now close the side. The raw edge with bias as well as the neck area. We'll go up by 2 inches and continue with our 1 inch sewing allowance straight down. I have closed it by the 2 sides with the 1 inch sewing allowance I added, and also notch it so that the thing will last. You notch here the 2 places, you notch the 2 areas so the thing will last. Turn it to the front. Give it a good press. Turn it down. Eyes up.